It's
Correct.
like
And that's
you're
very
having
hard.
a funeral for your old self so that
Yes.
you can have a rebirth.
Correct. Magkakaroon ka ng born again.
Mm-mm.
Gano'n. Kaya may kamatayan. Hindi
Mm.
lang kahit
You
buhay ka, kaya
literally dead.
ano, oo, hindi lang gano'n. Even if the old versions of yourself, they need to die to born a new one. Kasi kapag patuloy mo siyang anuhin, ignore lang, tapos andun pa yun rin yung old self mo, yun talaga yung papatay sa'yo. At pinakaayaw kong mangyari is, I'm living here in the world, but I die already early. Like, I just exist, just for the sake of existing, not living the life. Yan yung pinakaayaw kong mangyari.
That's so
So, I need to
beautiful.
that's why I need to go through that hardship para meron ako happiness. Kaysa naman, ayoko, eh di paunti-unti, pinapatay ka na paunti-unti. Eh, the more na hinahayaan mo siya, the more na magiging matagal at magiging mahirap na kasi mag-a-adds up siya eh.
That you play. Color, you want.